Let's have a look at some algebra. Question 5. Find the value of the following expression when x is equal to. So what am I looking for? A value, a number of what? Following expression. That's my expression. And what are they telling me about this expression when x is 2? So what does that mean? Instead of x, we can have 2. So that's what we do. 3 instead of x, we are saying multiply by 2 plus 5 and then 10 at the bottom minus, and again fraction line, 1 on the top, and instead of x, again 2 plus 3. What do I do with it? I put it in my calculator, I press equal, and I write down the answer. And the answer is 9/10. And we have to give it in the form of a fraction, which we did, and value of a, so number on the top, and b, number at the bottom, belong to n. If we are not sure what that means, page 23 in our table is saying that n are natural numbers, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, they are what? Whole numbers, positive numbers, no fraction. So yes, the number on the top is not a fraction, it's a whole number, and the same the number at the bottom. Really nice and easy mark.